What inspired you to get associated with Indian Human Rights Organization?
Sir, if we are talking about IHRO, International Human Rights Organization, we are into solving for the humanity and social cause, inspired me to get associated with IHRO or human rights things. We believe in that. Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam, the whole world is a family. We believe in that.
What are the core services your organization is providing?
Sir, what are the core services? Basically, the IHRO works to uplift the weaker section of society in terms of fundamental and constitutional rights. So we are providing free legal aid to needy or victimized persons.
What are the unique strengths of your organization?
Unique strength, basically integrity stands for honesty, and we believe in honesty. Our unique strength is honesty. We are working, believe in equality in society and transparency in our services.
What have been the major achievements of your organization?
Major achievement, this is a big word. Not major achievement, but we have tried to give our services. Worldwide, we have given one service, that is overseas. In 2012, we have pursued one case for 17 persons. 17 युवाओं को फांसी की सजा हुई शारजा यूएई में, जो इंडियंस थे, पंजाब से थे. उन 17 युवाओं को बचाने के लिए हमने 1.5 साल संघर्ष किया, और उन 17 युवाओं को जेल में विजिट करके, यहाँ पर कॉन्फ्रेंसेस करके, और वहाँ शारजा में जाके डेलीगेशन के द्वारा हमने 1.5 साल के संघर्ष के बाद उन 17 युवाओं को फांसी की सजा से बचाया. ये एक अचीवमेंट था हमारा, जिसके लिए हम प्राउड फील करते हैं कि वी आर वर्किंग फॉर द पर्सन, वी आर वर्किंग अंडर द बैनर ऑफ IHRO.
What is the agenda or focus of your organization now?
Agenda to protect the human rights. Basically, our agenda is to protect the human rights, to protect the environment, to spread the education with the help of reputed universities. We have already tied with 3 universities. One is Capital University, one is in Punjab, that is Lovely University. So we are working on that. One by one, we are spreading our education, our awareness to all persons. Sir.
What would you like to highlight about your team?
I would like to highlight, we have the legal team, we have the special team like retired justice, we have scientists, we have academicians, vice chancellors, reputed lawyers who are working in the Supreme Court of India, who are working in the high courts of different states, who are working in the lower courts also. So we believe in that. We have the team of dedicated persons. We are working in that thing.
What are the challenges before your organization?
Challenges, we are lacking of funds. First challenge is that, but still we are trying. We are working with our capacity. So challenges are there. If we are working for the human rights, there is no issue. We are pursuing our efforts.
How your organization has been able to make the world a better place to live?
When we protect the human rights of every citizen and spreading education and among the world under the flag of IHRO, these things really make the world a better place to live.
How do you foresee the future of your organization?
The future of IHRO or any organization depends upon the prosperity of the country. If we are working with support of our country support, we are working in social cause, we are pursuing our efforts with the policy of the government. So we think definitely the future will be bright. We are confident that future of IHRO is bright because of having a strong team of dedicated members working for the objectives of the organization. We have plan of expansion to every district, tehsil, blocks, even a village unit also. And already working in more than 50 countries. This is our criteria. IHRO is working in that manner.
How do you coordinate with 50 countries? It's a huge task.
This is only one. We have a small team who's controlling from here only, where I'm sitting. This is Delhi, Mayur Vihar. So we are working from here only. We are coordinating to all representatives of the countries. We have a hierarchy, different type of hierarchy, like ambassador of the country, like a president of the country. So they will report us. They have to report us, and we are coordinating with them.
Any story you may like to share?
Not this time. We will share another episode or another topic. We will we will share all stories. What we have done, what we want to do.
Any other important point you may like to share?
Nothing, sir. This is our thing. IHRO want to prove that. IHRO for the needy peoples. IHRO for the victimized peoples. IHRO is available for the downtrodden of the society who are needy. We want to support in all manners.